Hello guys! Hello everyone! And happy first anniversary sa amin ni Nakman. I'm gonna show you this explosion box na bigay niya. Andito ba yung So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman niya tsaka ano yung mga pinagagawa niya this past few days. Na hindi na ako kayo nakausap. Lagi siya busy tsaka inahawal ko siya lagi. Lockball ko yung sinasabi itong camera. Ay. Ito na siya. Ganito sa explosion box. Hindi explosion ng ganito. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga design na ginawa niya, mga crafts. Well, we're going to do the everyday task until ma-reach natin yung quota niya na I don't know if it's 21 days or so. Basta tomorrow, I'll get back to you guys. Papakita ko sa inyo ulit kung ano na naman yung design ng letter na ginawa niya. Tsaka kung saan natin kukunin. Alright? So, that's it for now and see you tomorrow. Bye. Love you.
She said I'd wait. I said I'd stay as long as you marry me. I would travel the world with you. You just have to ask. Perhaps we should plan it through. With 3 seats I lost. I feel the water as we run our bath for our 3-month-old daughter who's just learned how to love.
Ito yung first picture namin together. Diba? So, pareho kami majabo.
I think it's a picture. Ayun.
Everyday, isang letter. So, nakatatlong letters pa lang tayo. Okay, ito tayo pangalawa. And the pangatlo. Ipapahuli ko daw itong mga sulat na walang design, walang acrobatics. Ito na naman tayo. Sa fourth day na explosion box. Yan. Binasa ko na to kahapon. So, nakalimutan ko. Alright. Kagabi, the first letter was this one. Ito siya. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura niya. So, ganyan siya. Tinanggal natin. And, ikutan mo, ganyan rin. Second love letter was this one. Second page din ni Cynthia Patay. Napakadami na i-draw, na isulat, na idikit. So, ito yung second one. Yung mga sticky notes. Juve Ecuador.
I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand. I have said all of my vows behind the curtain. I know they see us, but they don't stand a chance. I have kissed those lips 1,000 times before this. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper.
This is a later. So, next tomorrow ulit. Next tomorrow ulit. Next tomorrow ulit. So, see you guys tomorrow.
As a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. If I could be honest, here at the altar, I refuse to grow older unless it's with you. I fell in love and made you a promise.
So, ito may laman siya. Pag nilaglag mo,
Back to you. Yes, they can hear
so,
us, but
and then,
there is more
yep. So, this is our fourth letter. Our first Vox movie.
I know they see
This is his birthday, and I'm gonna read it.